So that only took like 5 hours or more. Hopefully now we can have a proper breakfast and all lunch, considering it's like 11 o'clock. Good fun. Oh, hello, donkey. I know, I wanted to pat it too. Alrighty, so here we are. Finally made it all the way to Launceston. Took us a couple hours longer than we wanted to take, and I didn't really film any of it. But yeah, we're happy to be here, and it's looking pretty nice. I can't really see, sorry guys. Hopefully gonna find some sunglasses. I lost mine the other week. Yeah. Neat. That's really annoying. She just said the wind is getting underneath her sunglasses, like I have a pair of sunglasses and it's not affecting me. That's okay, I'm just trying to see where I'm going, but that's okay. Yeah, thanks Lizzie. Yeah. Fighting the wind. It's our spring here in Launceston in Tasmania, which is Australia's most southern state, and it's quite close to the Antarctic. So yeah, it's freezing. I'm absolutely freezing, but yeah, the price we pay to come to a nice part of the world. So that right there, we could have stayed in. I'm kind of glad that we didn't, because there seems to be like a construction going on, which would drive me up the wall. So instead, we're staying over there, that one. Just point there. Yeah. Not bad. Down by the water in Launceston. Look at that light. I need to get back there and do a time lapse immediately.